Hello everyone, good afternoon. Hello. How is everyone doing? I hope you're all doing good. Hello Rin, welcome to the stream. Welcome. Wait lang. Why is my not restream? My Caster Labs not connecting to my TikTok chat. Wait a damn minute. Wait. Let me just fix this let me just fix this real quick. Sandali. Hello Samu, anak. Welcome to the stream. Welcome. How are you? How is everyone doing? Mhm. Tayo na, tapunan pa ako ng tubig, visit. I am late. What do you mean you're late? Sa stream ko? No, I just started. I literally just started 4 minutes ago. Nag-restream kasi ako. Ahem. Naunahan ako ng notification ko. Ox lang yan. Ahem. Okay. Wait lang. Hintay ko lang mag-connect yung Caster Labs ko. Ahem. And wala ng ego ko. Okay lang yan. Hello, extra wet burger. Welcome to the stream ako. Welcome. So, ayun. You know what? I'm not gonna wait for that to connect na lang. Basta alam ko may chat ako na, may chat ako. So, ayun. I will be pulling ngayon sa banner ni Cyrene. And probably yun lang yung gagawin ko ngayon. Kasi medyo maaga-aga ako aalis ngayon. So, yeah. Wish me luck. Mag-ano lang ako. Gagawin ko lang yung dailies ko para I can get more jades. Saan yun? Ito. Parang gusto kong bilhin si Beto. Go! Pwede mo naman, you can practice him naman eh. I'm not sure lang kung how he is regarding sa meta. Since hindi ako maano sa meta. Ay, he got buffed eh. Ayaw nga pala, may mga buffs nga pala ngayon sa Valorant. I still don't know yung mga buffs and hindi ko pa nakikita yung map. Sabi ko, titignan ko nung last time nag-stream ako pero wala. Hindi ko rin na asikaso. Ay, yata daw pumasok kayo, ang lamig. Tsaka, kanina naulan, tas ngayon malilim sa labas. Tapos ayun, tinatamad ako pumasok tuloy. I need a decent senti other than Cypher eh. Ano? Chamber? Ano siya? Tawag ito? Sentinel na pwede maging duel. Basta marunong ka lang mag-aim. Yung puro util, no tutok needed. Sa bagay. Ay, naantok pa ako. Also, alam nyo ba guys, share I guess somewhat of a TMI, also somewhat not. Takte, karating lang ng sahod ko kahapon, tapos, ngayon, unti na lang natitira sa akin kasi nagbayad ako ng mga utang ko, putix. Hindi ko alam kung makakasurvive ba ako I mean, sa bagay ngayon, 15 days na lang hintayin ko since July 10 na yung next na sahod ko, but still. And sa bagay, babayaran naman din ako ng nanay ko, may utang sa mother ko around, tapos mababayaran na ako sa sahod niya, maybe. Sana, this week. If not, baka Monday or Tuesday next week. Probably Monday na nga next week eh. Wait lang. Pag hindi, wait lang. Sige, let's pull muna. Tapos let's try to build her na lang afterwards. Thank you for the follow, Luel. Welcome to the stream. Welcome. May utang pa ba kayo right now? Actually, hanggang yun? Hanggang next sahod ko yung pabayaran ko utang. Around, almost 6K yung binayaran ko ngayon. Sa loaning apps pa lang yun. Wala pa dun yung mga utang ko sa friends ko and whatnot. Tapos, next month around 5.5K babayaran ko sa loans, plus yung mga pay later ko pa, which is around 2K. Although yung 2K, 600 or around 600 or 700 of that 2K, last bayad ko na yon next month. So, around let's say August, talaga malawag-lawag na yung finances ko. So, yeah. When I hear that, I get scared. Parang trigger word ko yan. Well, wala. Dami kong binayaran. May mga kailangan ng bayaran this month eh. Since wala pa akong sahod nun. Ngayon pa lang sumahod. Ay, technically, kahapon talaga. So, I needed to get in touch with the loaning apps. Pero, nakakaya ko naman. Alright, anyways. Let's try pulling first. I am 50-50 ako ngayon. Ako na walang job and walang utang. Well, dapat lang naman kasi you don't have a stable job yet. Kaya wag ka muna mga loaning apps and whatnot. Magganong ka lang pag you have a stable income na. Which is, ayun, meron naman ako. And only do so pag desperado ka na talaga. Okay. Pero need ko bilhin yung battle pass. Hinay-hinay lang na. Hinay-hinay lang. Alright guys. Wish me luck. I'm going to pull sa banner ni Cyrene. And sana makuha ko siya. Wait lang. That is 11,884. That is another 11,884. I-record ko lang to. Till the end of time. Alright, so I have 84 pulls. Plus, I can get more dito. I have 20 pulls na nakasave dito. Plus, yung makuha ko pa later. Tapos, siguro lang muna yung battle pass siguro bago ko bilhin parang bundle na. Pwede, pwede. Okay. Guys, wish you luck. I'm on 6PT right now. Pwede kong tawag ito, i-equalize muna siya. Para maging 10 yung starting ko. Wait lang. Alright, sorry for that one. Ganda ng quality ng battle pass eh. Hindi ko pa na actually nakikita. If tingnan natin mamaya. Let's see. Or if I have the time mamaya. If not, edi, sorry, sa susunod na lang. Okay. I-equalize ko muna siya to, para maging 10. And since, ayun nga, 6 yung pitik ko ngayon. 5, 6. Nakasan ko na lang yung, and, okay, let's go. Alright, once again, wish me luck dito. 7, 8, 9, 10. Alright, that's 10 PT na. We're at 10 PT, guys. So, sunod nito is 20. Wale. 20. 30. Wale. Kinakabahan ako. 30. 40. Wait. Why not try to play yung team niya? HSR Cyrene team. Naka ba browser ko? Wait lang. Okay. Wait lang. Wait. Not this. Yung Ripples of Past Reverie. Please, play the Chinese version na lang. Ayan. Alright. Diyos ko, sana talaga umuwi to. Is the music volume alright? Or is it too loud? Or sakto lang siya? I think ox lang siya. Yes, okay, okay. Ano nga ba? That was 20, no? Wait, no. 30. Okay, 40. Oh! 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 Wait! 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 Okay, early. 41. Ah! Umuwi siya! Kailangan ko lang pala i-play yung music niya. Diyos ko. 42. 43. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh my god. Oh my god, I can try pulling for for E1 Finon. I can actually try pulling for E1 Finon. Okay, wait lang. Wait. Let me just record this on my part. So that's 42 for Cyrene. Okay. Once again, i-equalize ko muna to sa 10 since 8 PD siya. Okay. Ibahin ko naman yung yung kanta. Fine on team. Okay, wait lang. Bibilangin ko muna kung okay, I can pull 24 from here. Okay. Ito ba yun? Wait lang. Wait, asan yung part na yun? Ito ba yun? Okay, ito nga yun. Hello, Tamli. Welcome to Shima. Welcome. Alright. That's 8, 9, 10. Okay, that's 10 na. So, this is 20, 30. Okay. 40. Wala. 50. Ay, kinulang na ako ng okay. Exchange this. Ano nga? That's 30 or 40? Knock. What number was that? 30 or 40? 40, okay. 40. 50. 50. 60. Oh! Okay. Okay, please. Please. That's 60. That's... Wait, that's 62. That's actually supposed to be, at around the 30s pala. No, not, no. Around 51. Okay, magsisimula tayo 51. 51. 52. 53. 54. 55. Medyo kinabahan ako ng 56. 57. 58. Okay, I'm fine with that. At least bagong character. At least hindi siya si Actually, no, I also prefer Welt, but okay. 59, 60. Okay, so talo tayo, but makabawi pa naman tayo. 59, final. Since I already got Cyrene, baka pwede ko pang mahabol siya within the 59 in touches one. No, ang binibilang ko kasi is yung PT. 'Di ba nag-start tayo ano, 'di ba sabi ko kanina 60, 'di ba, from 50 nag-60 tayo. So, ang bilang nun is magiging 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, tapos 1 ulit. Kasi nag-reset yung PT. Binibilang ko lang yung bawat pulse. So, hindi, pero si Silverwolf umuwi sa 59 PT. Ay, wait lang. Ba't final nilagay ko dito? Okay. Try ko ba bang malay mo back to back. Charot. Okay, that's 1 PT. Okay, this is 11. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Ren, thank you for the heart me. Thank you so much. Very much appreciated. Welcome to the stream. And thank you for sharing the live as well. That's 15. Ilan makukuha ko dito? 15. Tatlo. 16. 17. Oh. 18. Asan? Okay. 18. Wait, no, mali. Okay, this will be my 19 pull. 19. Wala. At least we're 19 PTN, 'di ba? We're 19 PTN sa banner ni Finon. I can actually try getting his E1 if ever. Hello, good afternoon, happy shipping. Thank you, and thank you so much for dropping by. And Liu, welcome to the stream. Welcome. Okay, okay, at least we got Cyrene, and we're guaranteed for Finon, and we also got Silverwolf early. So I'm not against that at all since nakuha natin yung original na plan natin which is Cyrene and extra na lang sa Silverwolf and E1 Finon. Hopefully E2 Finon ang makuha ko this patch but let's just see. Malalaman na lang natin. Silverwolf is a DPS, right? Not this Silverwolf. Yung bagong version ni Silverwolf which is Silverwolf level 999. Siya DPS siya. At nung Silverwolf na nakuha ko, yung first na version niya is a debuffer. Which is, I mean, okay lang naman din sa akin. There's no problem with that at all. Also, meron pa ako nitong dalawang to. So, I can get more jades from this one. That's 1,240 plus 500. That's 1,740. So, ano pa yan? I can get like 10 to 11 more pulls from this one. Tapos, ito 12 stars ko pa ng Pure Fiction. I will probably do this on the weekends na lang. Although medyo hectic din schedule ko this weekend. Pipilitin ko pa rin. No worries naman. Okay, so let's build Cyrene. Wait, tatasan ko ngayong Not this one. Saan graphics? Ayun. At least medium. Would that be okay? And that is a yes. Kala ko same lang ha. I mean, same character, but not the same playable character. Ayun. Uh, Oo nga pala, kunin ko yung sa shop ni Herta. Tama ba ito? Okay, ito nga. Plus 4 na to. Okay. Wait, check ko nga kung gaano karami yung kailangan yung stats. Isusulat ko na siya para hindi na ako pabalik-balik dito. So, for speed, that should be at least 180. Crit rate should be 50 or as close as to 50%. Then HP should be 4,000. Uh, okay, that should just be it right now. Wait. Okay. Let's try building her muna. I already got her materials, building materials, pero hindi pa yung sa light cone niya. Although madali lang naman. Actually, madali lang naman yun. Madali lang natin maaagapan yun. And last one. Okay, nice. 2, 3. That should take me to 9. Okay, I can actually do 10 pull dun sa standard banner. Okay, let's equip the light cone. Let's enhance this. Okay. Tapos, wait. Okay. Let's level all this up. Nakapag-pre-farm naman ako. Thankfully, umuwi nga talaga siya. I won my 50-50. So, worth it yung pag-pre-farm ko. Oh my gosh. Mighty, you have a new support and Sunday makapagpahinga kahit papaano. Kulang na lang dito is si Hyacinth. Siya na lang kailangan ko. Hello Kaiji, welcome to the stream. Welcome. How are you? How's your afternoon? I hope you're doing good. And Fino, welcome to the stream as well. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night. Stay home and be healthy. Well, I can't exactly stay home kasi magpasok ako later. Pero thank you, thank you. You take care as well, okay? Justin Emmanuel Garote, welcome to the stream. Welcome. You're fast to see me, Zeddy. Of course, I can already just exactly when you guys go in my live, I can already see your names. Good after you, pwede po pa-review. I'm sorry, Fino, but I don't do reviews right now since maya I'll be getting ready for work na. If I had the extra time, I would be free for reviewing. Pero yeah, my time is limited right now. Thanks for you for the follow, Fino. Thank you so much. How are you? How's your afternoon? I hope you're doing good. Okay, I already greeted Emmanuel. Alright, sana may mga maayos akong relics. Please, let's see. Sarkados and asan yun? Ayun. Caster is still on meta. I think so. I don't have the premium remembered stream. I only got Sairi for Mighty and Finon. So I can't exactly answer. Kailangan ko yung may maraming speed dito. Ba't puro 2 speed lang 'to? Tignan natin muna yung iba. The new battle pass dito for Viper. Bakit? Yung kay Tingin ba, walang speed. Acheron is still good now. Actually, she got indirectly buffed when Mortenax Blade was released. Since currently, as far as I know, Mortenax Blade is like the um strongest damage amplifier in the game right now. Excuse me, right now. Alawa. Wait lang. Nakasan ko nga ito. Alright, let's repeat that. Naris yaba. Oh wait, that's when Sparkles. Kala ko kaya no. Nakiting yun, sorry. Is yaba. Alawa. Alright, let's see the others muna. Okay, can I join in my party with Caster? Is that good? Oh, like, can you, if Mortenax Blade is good for casters, is that what you're asking? Also, why am I talking in my customer service voice? Why? Why did I suddenly switch over to that? No, Zed, you're a Filipino, oh my gosh. Well, I directly said my name, pero okay lang. Deadma. Marami akong kapangalan dyan. Eme. Manong voice niya pag work. Okay. Yung ano ko lang yung opening spiel ko. Okay. Hello, thank you for calling Zedlin's Bank. This is Zed. I'm here to make your day a fifth or better. So, just to clarify, are you calling in for your own account or for someone else's? Kala ko English ka hirap mag-isip. I mean, not really. It's just, English na ako na English sa work. Ayoko na mag-English ulit dito sa bahay. Pero ewan ko kung bakit bigla nagsiswitch over sa English yung boses ko. Ay, yung language ko. I don't know why. Thank you for the follow, Switch Shock. So, thank you so much. How are you? How's your afternoon? I hope you're doing good. Ano ba yun? Lahat dito, you know what? Paano to? Crit damage ba talaga yung kailangan niya sa, ano? Check ko nga, wait lang. The circle of life. It's good to be speaking English with your good accent. Thank you, thank you. I mean, granted, I do have to speak in that way, just because I do work in a call center. Alright, so since I can't seem to find any good relics, I would be farming again. Wait. I forgot the button for it. Is it? Okay, it's F4. Where is it? I would try getting this one, the messenger, since that's the yun yung mga relics na konti lang ang meron ako. Ayun. Ang ina-Englishin ko pa eh. Ano oras na? Okay, 4:20. Around 4:30, I will be ending stream na. Since, ayun. Makakain na ako nun. I'll probably, go to work at around 5:30. Maaga ako ng konti ngayon. Firefly is good for break. Actually, yes, as long as you have Dahlia. The Dahlia, I'm sorry. Cause as far as I know, she's like the best support for break right now. Ellie, hello, welcome to the stream. How are you? How have you been? I hope you're doing good. Hi, Uncle. Hello, hello. Kamusta, kamusta? And thank you for sharing the live. Thank you, thank you. Zafira, oh, is this the Zafira that I know? If yes, hello, Zafi. How are you? How's your afternoon? I hope you're doing good. It's been a while. At wala akong nakuhang maayos doon. Oh my gosh. Wala nga, busy. Ngayon ko lang napansin tapos ko na yung mga task. What do you mean? Hello, Egglet. Wakadushima. Welcome. Egglet, thank you for the roses. Thank you so much. Very much appreciated. How are you? How's your afternoon? I hope you're doing good. This way again. No, I'll never love this. Balik na ako Honkai, ganda namin siya. Go, go lang. Battle Pass. Oh, sa bagay. Minsan hindi mo na lang mapapansin tapos ka na eh. No, I'll never love this way again. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Alright, I'll just try to get her to a high speed build. Siguro, hindi ko naman nagagamit si Tingin, so I'll just yoink that from her. Sorry, Bronya, I shall take this from you na. No, I'll never love this way again. I know I'll never love this way again. So I keep holding on. The good is gone. I know I'll never love this way again. Hold on. Okay, we got those correct na. Okay, I think I'm going to use yung Sprightly. I think yun naman talaga yung na-farm ko nun eh. Okay, this is good actually. Okay. Hey, I'll fucking take it! That's actually really fucking good. That's HP percent then, okay. Okay, this is good. Not as good, but let's just see. Okay. Uh, uh, ano, naging break si ano? Si Cyrene? Kung ganun, edi, sige. Alright, let's see if this is a good build for her. I-enhance ko pa pala to. I forgot. I'm gonna try to pick either Vet or Yoru. I mean, if you still want to use Yoru, okay, syempre okay naman yun. But, yun nga. He's just been heavily nerfed kasi. Hence why hindi ko siya nire-recommend sa'yo. Hello, Hachi. Welcome to Yoshima. Welcome. Okay, gagawin ko na nga. Very close. That's 5 tapos 8 yun, di ba? Or 12. Sige, ito muna. 5. So, I need 5 times 3, that's 15. Embers exchange. I need 15 of you, please. 12 lang pala kailangan ko dun. Putex. That's... Okay, may isa na tayo. So, that's 9. That's 9 times 3 equals 27. Please Be double flash. Nice, nice. Mabubuff pala siya. Kunin ko na ito lahat. And sana enough yan. Okay, it is enough. Alright, let's see if sakto yung build niya. Okay, speed, good. Crit damage, good. Crit rate, kulang ng 20%. Putex. Also, okay din HP niya. Almost 6k. That's actually good. So, need ko na lang i-tune yung crit rate niya. Probably get a speed boost that has crit rate. Hopefully. Actually, wait. I don't use Pela anymore. I could actually just give this to her. You know what? That's better compared to what's earlier. Ito pwede ko lang to siguro i-reroll. Either that or try to see if I can get wait, let's try to see if I can get a Von Wack na ano. Since I can go I still have 4 more of this one. I use that fuel. You know what? Kukunin ko na kaya yung ano ko, yung food ko habang naka-auto to. Okay, so guys, be right back lang. Just gonna get my food, okay?
Your downfall is absolute. Your downfall is absolute.
Okay, I'm back. Sakto lang. I don't need this, pero sige, i-save ko na din. No, 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 non, no, 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 no. Okay. Well, that was shit. Wait lang, subo lang ako. Hmm, nagkadua 10 pull pala sa ano, dito. I have how many, ano? 10, 13. Okay. 13, 23. Okay, let me just record this lang. Hello, JM Hon. Ako na resume ako. LP. Ilang PT nga ulit tayo sa limited banner? 9 PT yun, di ba? Yung sa banner ni Finon. As remember na, ano, 1 PT yun. 19 PT. 19, okay, tama nga. Alright, I think that would be all. I think okay naman na yung Sirini ko except for the crit rate. Hindi ako, ano, hindi ako pinagpala sa crit rate. Pero still, at least 13% na lang kulang doon. Tapos, lamang ako sa crit damage.
So this was my childhood dream, huh?
Mhm. Kaya nga natin. Ang ina ba't ang baba ng health niya, no? Oh no. Di na full man yung ano. Hindi na only man yung team ko kay ano. Kay Mighty. Ano ba yan? Hindi, granted. Di pala, si Triby nga pala gamit ko sa kanya dati. Ito nga pala team ko sa kanya. Okay, I don't feel as bad anymore. Okay. Sireney. Ayan. Tapos, sa team ni... Try nga natin. Sabi ko wala akong gagawin ngayon eh. Sabi ko matatapos na ako ngayon eh. Putex. Pero pork shishig, ako din shishig. Gusto ko tuloy magsisig, putex. Mhm. Oh, what if try ko ano? Hindi, mas okay pala nasa trivia nandito dun. You know what? I'll just do this either on my own time or sa weekends na lang. I will be going na. I'll just continue eating my lunch right now. Okay, so everyone, thank you for staying on my short, very, very short stream of actually this is just less than an hour. Look guys, for the stream, welcome to you for liking the live. Unfortunately, I'll be ending the stream na since I'm gonna get ready for work now after this. So yeah. Thank you everyone who supported me today. Thank you to everyone who liked, everyone who shared, everyone who gifted, everyone who followed. I appreciate all of the support. Now be safe and nice stream. Thank you, Lucas. I got Cyrene and I lost the Silver Wolf when I was trying to pull for E1 Finon. Pero I lost her at a bit early. So, nakuha ko siya at 59 PT and currently nasa 19 PT ako. So, I can still try to vie for Finance E1. And hopefully E2. Winning still, congratulations. Thank you so much. Alright. So, alright guys, I'll see you when I see you, okay? I'll try to stream more on the weekends. A short stream, but still a stream, okay? So, bye-bye everyone. Good afternoon, and I hope you have a better day ahead of you, okay? Bye-bye guys. Bye-bye.